let's start today's event with Aigiri Nandini Shloka Recitation. Aigiri Nandini, popularly known as the Mahishasura Mardini Stotra, it's a powerful Sanskrit hymn dedicated to the Hindu goddess Durga. The stotram celebrates goddess Durga in her fierce and compassionate form as the slayer of the buffalo demon. The title phrase Aigiri Nandini translates to O daughter of the mountain, referring her as the daughter of the Himalayas. It is widely attributed to the great 8th century philosopher Adi Shankaracharya, though some sources also link it to Kavi Ramakrishna. It is composed of 21 verses characterized by complex alliterations and a rhythmic rap-like flow. Our children are here to present first 10 stanzas of the composition. Philosophically, it symbolizes the victory over Mahishasura, represents the triumph of the spirit over inertia, pride, and ignorance. We have children from KG1 and KG2 who are all set to perform it by creating a positive vibration. I now welcome Bruhati Das, Chaitanya SM, Mandira Anand, Parnika Nagesh, Likita SM, Sia S. Shetty, Manasvi SB, and Samruddhi Gudi on stage.
Aigiri Nandini Nandita Medini Vishwa Virodini Nandanute Girivara Vindya Shirogiri Vasini Vishnu Vilasini Jishnanute Bhavavati Eshini Kanda Kutumbe Puri Kutumbini Puri Kute Jai Jai Mahishasura Mardini Ramyaka Mardini Shailasute
coordination between all the children on the stage showed a divine sense of unity, passion, and their dedication in putting it so wonderfully today. It wasn't really for them to learn this. Kudos to myself, Archana ma'am, and Swati for training.